The chia seed, also known as Mexican chia or Salba chia, is the edible seed of a flowering plant in the mint family. Chia seeds have a long history and are native to Guatemala and Mexico. The ancient Aztecs and other Mesoamerican cultures relied heavily on them as a primary crop. The seeds played a significant role in their diets and also had therapeutic uses. Guatemala, Mexico, Peru, Australia, Argentina, and the United States are some of the commercial producers of chia seeds today. The seeds are widely recognized as part of a healthy diet due to their high nutritional content. Here are some of the benefits of chia seeds. 1. Excellent source of antioxidants and essential nutrients. Chia seeds have a high antioxidant concentration and are also rich in essential nutrients. These antioxidants include quercetin, caffeic acid, camphorol, and chlorogenic acid. Nutrients like these have numerous health benefits, like fighting reactive molecules known as free radicals, which cause oxidative stress and cell damage. And when it comes to essential nutrients, chia seeds are high in magnesium, manganese, calcium, copper, iron, selenium, and phosphorus. 2. Better heart health. Given that chia seeds are high in omega-3s and fiber, consuming them regularly may lower the risk of developing heart disease. Soluble fiber is primarily found in chia seeds, which can help lower your blood's total and bad cholesterol levels. 3. Improved blood sugar levels. The dietary fiber content of chia seeds is particularly high. Did you know that increasing fiber intake can help lower your chances of developing metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes? That's right, including chia seeds in your diet may help lower the risk of developing these conditions. 4. Reduced inflammation. Diseases including cancer and heart disease have been linked to chronic inflammation. The anti-inflammatory benefits of chia seeds can be attributed to the caffeic acid they contain. Also, chia seeds are a fantastic source of alpha-linoleic acid, or ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that helps promote a lower omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio. According to studies, a lower ratio has been associated with reduced risks for chronic illnesses, including heart disease, cancer, and other inflammatory conditions. Inflammatory markers are widely used as diagnostic tools for inflammatory diseases, and regular consumption of chia seeds may help lower these markers. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share with your friends to help the channel. 5. Supports healthier weight management. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 39% of the recommended daily intake of fiber. Due to the high concentration of soluble fiber in the seeds, they will expand in your stomach, enabling you to feel fuller for longer after eating them. This is how chia seeds can help maintain your weight. It makes you feel fuller despite eating less. 6. Promotes healthy bones. Important bone nutrients in chia seeds include phosphorus and magnesium. 1 ounce of chia seeds provides 18% of your daily recommended value for calcium, which is an essential mineral for strong bones, muscles, and nerves. Chia seeds also have more calcium per gram than dairy products do. Here are some chia seeds nutrition facts. Every 1 ounce serving of chia seeds contains 138 calories, 4.7 grams protein, 8.7 grams fat, 12 grams carbohydrates, 9.8 grams fiber, and 0 grams sugar. This information shows that chia seeds are a good source of protein, fat, and fiber. They are also low in carbohydrates. You'll find whole chia seeds online or in most grocery and bulk food stores. If you grind the seeds, place them in an airtight bag or storage container and store them in a cool, dark place, either in your pantry or fridge. Chia seeds are quite versatile and can be used in many culinary applications. Here are some ways to prepare them. Sprinkling raw seeds on a salad or oatmeal. Adding them to homemade energy bars. Mixing them into a muffin batter. Using them as an egg replacer to use in baked goods such as bread and cakes. Mixing them with fruit juice or milk to make a chia pudding. Mixing them with spices and almond flour to to make a breading for fried chicken. Making a chia gel for smoothies or homemade soups. Soaking them to make chia sprouts. So go ahead. Add chia seeds to your diet today. You'll be glad you did. We hope this video has helped you learn more about the amazing benefits of chia seeds. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.